Welcome to the Advanced Certification in Tableau and Gen AI. This program provides a complete beginner to advanced path for industry-ready data visualization mastery and enterprise intelligence, focusing on full-stack Viz and Gen AI native technology. Tableau remains the gold standard for visual analytics, driving data-driven decision-making. Its fast, intuitive analytics and enterprise-grade governance ensure its demand. Tableau professionals earn an average hourly rate of over $56 in the U.S., with significant global analytics job growth projected. Our comprehensive 3-course track prepares you for professional roles. Course 01 covers Tableau fundamentals, focusing on interactive dashboards and data storytelling. Course 02 covers advanced visualization, including LOD expressions and advanced navigation. Course 03 focuses on advanced analytics and preparation for the Certified Data Analyst exam. The detailed curriculum breakdown spans 3 weeks per course. Fundamentals focus on data import, charts, and stories. Advanced Viz covers complex data modeling, LODs, SQL, and geospatial analysis. The Analytics course includes Tableau Prep Builder, server administration, and exam preparation. The program offers a 6-certificate portfolio, including IBM professional certificates and an IIT Patna certification. We integrate Gen AI modules into the curriculum, covering Ask Data using NLP, Einstein Discovery for predictive modeling, AI data prep, and Einstein Copilot for formula generation. Tableau proficiency unlocks diverse, high-impact career pathways. Roles range from Tableau developer and data analyst to analytics consultant and data engineer. It's crucial to build your professional portfolio on platforms like GitHub and Tableau Public. Market intelligence shows strong salary trends for Tableau professionals globally. In the US, the average hourly rate is $56.24. In India, there is rapid growth, with senior potential exceeding 30 lakh rupees annually. Our applied learning portfolio features over 6 capstone projects. A highlight is the NYC Airbnb Pricing Explorer, an advanced geospatial analysis utilizing complex LOD expressions. Other projects cover retail, healthcare, social data, and government analytics. Upon completion, you will master the entire data lifecycle. Key outcomes include advanced data modeling, prep and transformation skills, sophisticated analysis using LODs, visualization and UX expertise, and delivery and governance proficiency, making you portfolio ready. Enrollment is open for this official IBM and IIT Patna designed program. Secure your spot and start your Tableau journey today. You can book a free counseling session, register for a free demo, or check batch dates.